see right in front of you with the flowers that we have. We will be using this to make our lace. And so there's a little bit of preparation before stringing your lei. This morning, the technique we'll be using is called hui, which means to pierce. So we will be using a needle and a string. But just to share a little bit more on that, of course it wasn't the original way of doing it. Yeah. And so today, we have the most common way using the hui or the needle, having to pierce the flower. But there are other techniques such as haku, which is braiding, vili vili, which is to twine or to wind, a strip of ribbon or raffia around the stem. So for those particular techniques, you will need the stem of your flower. Today, with the orchid, there's no need for it. Finger in your thumb, you're gonna grab a hold of your stem and you're just gonna snap it right off. Okay? And so you wanna be gentle. You don't wanna crush the flower or tear any of the petals. But you can go ahead and begin preparing your flowers, and I'll have you begin with 60 flowers. 16? 60. Dendrobium orchid. And so that's this just one flower that you can use to make a lei. But there are many other flowers, leaves, and ferns, or at least fresh material that you can use. Like tuberose, carnation, bougainvillea. Here in Hawaii we call it plumeria, but you may know it as the frangipani. And even to the smallest flowers of million stars or baby's breath.
Okay, I'm here now at Outrigger Waikiki Resort, the hotel I'm staying. And we're trying to learn how to make a lei flower garland. So we need 60 of these. And you just need to poke right in the center here, right in the heart and the one shot.
Well, I'd like to hear your choice.
Just remove the needle if it wants to come off. Okay. And then we just tie both ends together. Just a regular square knot.
Is it a special string or is
No, we use cotton string. You can either use crochet or threading string. And we just cut the rest off.
there you go.
There's all complete.
Ah, that's mine. All I made it all by
You did
myself.
all by yourself. The main thing we keep in mind is based upon the word aloha, which you hear many times here in Hawaii. But aloha, we use it as a greeting, but it also means love. So that's what you want to keep in mind when making your lei. That it's not how pretty you want it to turn out or how fast you want to do it, but it's the love that you put into it while making it.